Hello, everyone. Sonny here with CTI with a update. We finally have your website ready to launch. Hopefully, you'll be seeing it very soon. If you're seeing this, it's probably already live. So, I want to give you a little quick demo and tutorial on what to do first. This is not going to be your normal e-commerce website where you go on here and actually purchase. It may end up being that, but right now what we're doing is allowing you to go on here, see all the products we have, get all the information, and build yourself a quote, and then send that. That'll help you in your ordering process, take the place of an email or a text or a call. You can still do all those if you want, but this I think it's going to streamline, help you see exactly what we have, what we offer, maybe help you a little bit with the ordering process. Once the order is sent from here, everything else actually will be the same. Order processing will take that information, enter it in. You'll get a confirmation sales order to review just to make sure everything looks good. And from there, we go with the freight, shipping quotes, whole 9 yards. Just like like I said, the rest of that will be the same. So the URL is myctistore.com. Um, if you go without logging in or creating an account, you have access to look at the website, but you cannot do anything else. You could just gather information. You cannot request a quote. So what we need you to do is right here under account and list. I need you to click that, hit create account. This is going to be where you'll come in, put your name, all your information, and hit submit. That will come to us. We'll get you entered into the system. If you have whatever price level you are, that will populate once you're logged in. After that, you're going to be able to actually do the sign in. So you'll hit sign in, make sure whatever email you used on that create account page is the email that you try to sign in on. We're doing it this way so you don't have to remember passwords. So I already got the code. It came to my email address. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And it's as simple as that. And now you're logged in. This is our test account. So on here, you've got a lot of information. I'm not going to go through everything. I just want to kind of give you, try and keep this down to about 5 or 6 minute video. You can go through, you can shop by products, you can shop by application, you can shop by brand, say shop by Hallmark. You're going to have all what we feel is important for you to have on a Hallmark job. You can hit load more here. If you see something you like, you you can click it. You can add 2 of these to quote. You will not see anything here until you add the first item quote. So once you add that, now this will stay down at the bottom. You can just continue shopping by, you can hit back if you want to go back to where you were, if you want to add these, same deal. Make sure you pick your size and your quantity, hit add to quote. Once you've added everything to your quote, you can hit view quote here. You can adjust quantities. This will populate since you're already logged in. So all this will be here. And then all you do is hit submit request. Right here in note, please tell us if this is literally just for a quote purposes or if this is an actual order. If it's just for a quote, just put in here just needing a quote at this time, shipping quote, whatever you need. After you hit submit request, you will get a request for quote sent successfully, and then you can go back to the store and look around a little bit more. Again, that comes to us. Now all we're going to do is look it over, and that's just like you emailed the order to us. Another way you can do this is this quick quote right here. So what the quick quote does is it actually has all of our products listed. So you can just peruse this thing. If you need 2 of these, you can hit add to quote, go down. If you need a grinder, add that to quote. Just carry on looking, just continue adding things to quote. Another cool thing, you can actually on this, you can look through vendors or you can look through different collections. We do have a search up here. You can search for, if you want to do a search for flake, anything that we have pertaining to flake floors, the Pro Flake is going to be here. So that's all. This is pretty self-explanatory. Just look through everything. We do have system pages as well. What these pages are going to do, we're going to have any flyers, any videos, anything pertaining to those systems will be on those link pages. Color charts, if we have them, sell sheets. So if you click the sell sheet or color charts, anything you click on the site, it will bring you to that PDF or whatever it is, and you could look at it, you can share it, or you can download it to your phone or to your computer. So that is that. We have a resources page. This resources page has all your color charts, access to the YouTube channel. This is a cool link, and we'll have more of this on here as we go, but this is just talking about our Titan series. Has all the information, tech data sheets on everything. A lot of you guys don't know, what all this Titan series is, but this is a good way to learn and get up to speed on what we have to offer. Other than that, we will have a little project gallery here. We'll be posting more and more pictures on here as we go. Right now we only have a few, but we'll be adding to that as we go. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, just you can give me a call, 225-791-0722. My extension's 107, or you can email me at srestivo@flycti.com. As always, I hope this will help y'all. We're just trying to help y'all, give you all the resources we can. So thanks for being such great dealers, and we look forward to helping y'all in the future and servicing y'all. Thanks again. We'll talk soon.